Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Fiverr without any skills. I've been some Digital Nomad Institute. Let's get started. So before you want to ask any other question, you're probably wondering, why should you follow me? And that's a very simple question. The answer to that is because I've been working on Fiverr for around 6 years. I made around $8,000 and I'm a level 2 seller. Let me show you my profile. Go to my dashboard. And as you can see, a level 2 seller. So let me show you what gigs you can do on Fiverr that doesn't require any skills and that can make you money. And if you know anything about this channel, it's not clickbait. It's it's actually going to be a few clicks and maybe fill in the blank for a few words, and you can create these products. So let me go with the first one. The first one is a word cloud. So if you don't know what a word cloud is, it's these things right here. They come in different forms, different shapes. You can click maybe this one right here, and you can see this person is having a word cloud right here with different words, $5 a piece, and they're doing pretty decent. It looks like. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make something like this, and it doesn't take much skill. It looks complicated, but it's very easy, I assure you. All right, so the place you want to go to is Free Word Cloud Generator. All right, and what you want to do is it's going to be a 3-step process. You basically type or upload your text, generate and customize your word cloud, and then you download and share or send it to the client. All right, so I'm going to walk you through it real quick. Hey, I've been getting a lot of questions again. I've mentioned in another video how to make money with YouTube using AI tools to automate my channel and to save time while building traffic. So hey, if you're interested in how to make money with YouTube using AI tools to automate a lot of your work and to build traffic, I'll put a link in the description and it will take you to the course where you can see how I do that. It's just there for people who are interested. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so from here, I'm going to go ahead and paste my or type my word cloud. So the words I want to add in, it could be love, happiness, oops, I don't know, like, so on and so forth. I guess I can add a few more words in here. Let's go with hate, sun. Okay, so that should be enough. You can add as many words as you want, but I think that will give you enough of an idea of how this works. All right, and then from there you customize it. It could be here's the word list. Okay, here's the font. I like. Let's go with work sans. Pick the color. I kind of like maybe this one right here. Apply, and then you can visualize it. All right, this is what it looked like, and that's not. Let me. Okay, so that increases the density. You can add more words to make it a lot better looking. I'm not gonna do that because I want to move on to the next one, but you get the idea of how to use it. All right. And once you're done, you just click on download and you'll have it ready for your client. Easy peasy. Okay, so that's all you have to do, and $5 a pop, minus Fiverr's share and cut, you'll probably end up with maybe $3.50, $4 ish. So that's the first one, word cloud. The second one is simply article writing. If you can see right here, you have a whole bunch of different article writers that will write an article within 24 hours on a whole bunch of different subjects. And this person right here has 71 reviews at 4.9 and is making $75 a pop. That's very, very profitable. And the great thing I can tell you as a consumer of articles I purchased articles on Fiverr. And this is what, a 500-word article. 500-word article, $75. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it without any skill. You don't have to have any writing skill. And that's by leveraging software or AI. Right? So the software I choose for this one to make it as easy as possible is Wordplay AI. There's other AIs you can pick, but I like this one because the quality of the content's pretty high and it's very easy to use. Like if I wanted to, let's say I had a make pretend client, and let's say I just posted a gig, and the client was asking me about Forex sustainability. Okay, sustainability. Let me copy this. All right, so the way I do it with this tool is I would make a gig on Fiverr saying I would make an article within 24 hours, probably lower rates than this, and at 500 words. Then I would go into create content. I would just go into AI mode because I'm kind of lazy, and I would just type in the title, sustainability farming projects. I'm going to add, farming, sustainable farming. How about sustainability? Let's see. Farming in, let's try Vietnam. Okay. So that's it. I want to write the title. This other two right here is for my internal reference, but I'm just going to, give something like demo Fiverr gig. Oops. And the same thing right here. This is just for me to understand what it is. All right. I click on submit, confirm, and voila. View article. It's still writing. Done. Boom. There you go. This sustainability farming in Vietnam. Vietnam is an emerging agricultural powerhouse. Its abundance, natural resources, and workforce eager to improve livelihood have made the country a top producer of rice, coffee, and tea. However, this rapid development has come at a cost as farmers are increasingly feeling the pressure to maximize yield per hectare and turn the land into cash as fast as possible. I can go on, but it's gonna be a while. So you get the idea. You can pause it and read it if you want to, right? But it's very, very good quality. And just to give you a third-party check to see how good the quality is, not just take my word for it, I'm gonna copy this, use another AI, Grammarly, to grade this piece right here. So let me go ahead. All I did was I took out the content from here, did a quick copy, and now I'm going to plop it in here. Control V. Done. Oops, hold on. I should have copied it like this. Control C, copy. And then let me delete this. Control V. And let's see what we get. Okay, overall score 76, not too bad. Clarity is a bit unclear. Engaging, delivery just right, style all good. Most important is plagiarism, all right? Because if the plagiarism is ridiculous, then this is useless right here. All right, so it has to be unique. Looks like your text is 100% original. Great. Now, the second thing I would do before I submit this to a client, this is just my suggestion, is I would polish it up a bit. Since I have Grammarly, I can just go ahead and click it and go ahead and oops, this is another one. I got to turn off this tool. All right, but I would go ahead and do the corrections here to increase the overall readability of this, and then submit it to a client. So as you can see, all I did to get this was I went to the AI mode of Wordplay, entered the title in, and it generated an entire 1,000 word article. Boom. And do you think you could sell that for, I don't know, $25 at $1,000 per word? People will be knocking down your door. All right. So that's the second no skill Fiverr gig that I'm going to show you, the tool that I would use, Wordplay AI. And there's lots of other copies out there. So I'm going to show you the link so you can go directly to this place and purchase it. Now the next skill I'm going to show you that's no skill is coming up with names for businesses. I know people have issues. It's a pain point for many people to come up with business names. Apple apparently had a pain point when it came down to naming their business, and a lot of stories, of how people came to name their business. It was just painful. These people will just come up with a name for your business, and it's $20 a pop, and it's very profitable. Now, yeah, you can do it manually. This person's doing really well. 1K at 4.9, $30 a pop. That's really good. Good job right here. And level 2 seller. You can do this quite easily. You can do it manually, but remember, this is all about without any skill, and I also want to add in as hassle-free as possible. So in order to do that, I'm going to show you this tool called Namelix. Yeah, you just type in whatever you want. Let's say they're doing, let's say that their company is about running. Right? Just type in running, generate it. Select the criteria. Randomness, I'd like medium. Okay, generate. You can also set other criterias, but to make it quicker. And then there you go. These are all business names that you can plop down, right, into here and make your $20. So let me just show you. And you even have like a mock logo. That's extra service, premium service right there. So we got Runny, Ronomic, Leona Run, Tally Run, Run to Us, Skyrunner, On Run, Ravdash, Runoid. I mean, these are pretty cool names. And did it take you any work, any time? No, you typed in a word, right? And then you clicked enter and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. And you can possibly get $20 a pop. All right. So that's the third one. And let me move on to the fourth opportunity. All right, no skill on Fiverr. And that's slide to video. There's a lot of people that want to convert their PowerPoint slides into a video. And that's doing really well. This person right here is doing, let's see, 84 5-star reviews at $5 a pop. That's pretty good. That's really, really good. And it's high value. It looks like it takes a lot of work. And they're getting a lot of value for that $7 if you add in the $2 service fee. But I'll show you how to do it as easy and painless as possible. And that's by using a tool called Natikit. All right. So all you do is you would sign up. You would basically upload a PowerPoint slide, and then you would enter the narration in here. And then once you re-upload this the PowerPoint slide onto the software, it's going to go ahead and narrate it and convert it into a video. Something like this. Let me play it for you as a demo.
The Pythagorean theorem shows how to calculate the distance between any 2 points on a grid. It explains the relationship between the sides of a right triangle.
Okay, and you can see how it sounds.
Imagine drawing a square on each of the three.
All right. So this right here, this tool, it has a paid account, but the free account is very generous. I've never had a need to kind of upgrade it. Right, so it's not the fake free. It's actually fully. I wouldn't say fully free, but it's very generous free. Okay, and you can simply open a gig. You might not. These are level 2 sellers. These are top rated sellers. But if you charge cheaper than this, you might be able to capture some of the sales that they're having right now. Like this person right here, level 1 seller. Okay, so convert PowerPoint slides to HD video with audio narration. There you go. And you can do it probably quicker. Now, it takes a little bit of time to get used to this, but once you all you have to do is basically cut and basically design a PowerPoint slide, make it organized, and then just add whatever part you want to narrate into the narration notes, right, into the speaker notes, and that's it. Upload it back into here, and then it will turn it into a video. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to play around with screen capture and clicking a button and reading something out. None of that. I have another video down below that explains this process in full detail. I just wanted to introduce to you this tool so you can go ahead and use it and start making money right away. So once again, the the opportunities or the gigs that are no skill, is word cloud, right? And that's using this tool right here. The second one is articles, right? Article writing, and that's using Wordplay AI. Okay, and third one is business name or business name generation ideas or business ideas, brand ideas. That's using this one right here, Namelix. And the last one is converting slides to video, and that's using Narrowkit. Now, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, if you found any kind of value whatsoever, I would greatly appreciate it if you can hit that like button for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next